All right, Todd's back. We've been talking about the storm on Sunday, which coincides with the Patriots' final game of the year Sunday, which is in Foxborough, so a lot of Mainers go down to the games. Over-under for this game, which is total points scored by both teams, 30.5, which is low.
Yeah.
Not the lowest for the Patriots this year, not the lowest in NFL history, but they're basically saying they're not expecting either team to score much, although a sunny day would have provided probably the same number, so I feel like it's going to go lower.
That's the thing. I feel like it should go lower.
Yeah, it's going to be tough sledding.
There's going to be snow down there, and it might fall for the majority of the game, and we know what happens with snow games in Foxborough. Those are a blast. Anyway, it'll be interesting to see that unfold. In the meantime, we still have some quiet weather. This morning, very, very mild for this time of the year. For early January to have low 30s or even upper 20s in the mountains is totally doable. You'll notice that the first thing when you go out, it feels milder. There are some scattered snow showers, though, and I'll take you on a quick little tour. Coming out of the Oxford Hills, now moving through some of the lakes like the Belgrade Lakes area, on up through the Route 2 corridor for Farmington and Skowhegan, Madison area, and these are marching towards Bangor. And there are also some additional snow showers now north and east of Bangor, interior Hancock and Washington counties. All of these snow showers are capable of dropping some quick coatings, which won't make roads terrible, but there could be some slick spots, I suppose, out there for you. We are going to miss the bulk of the storm, though. This goes out to sea, just like its predecessor. The third one, though, in the line, which is way out in the four corners of southwestern U.S., is still out there. It's going to march across the U.S., won't completely miss us, and that will give us our weekend snow. This front passes this afternoon, though, with some snow showers and ushers in a really cold air mass. End of this week, most of the weekend, we're going to be struggling temperature-wise. Thick cloud cover this morning, scattered snow showers and flurries, but a relatively mild feel. And then during the middle of the day, that cold front blasts through. Snow squalls are possible up north. Snow showers are possible to the south. The snow squalls are intense snow showers, so they could drop a quick half-inch of snow and reduce the visibility and make driving difficult for you. So please be careful if you get caught in any of those. We'll clear out right behind them and get some late-day sun. Obviously, it sets really early, so don't expect a lot. But the winds will get gusty as the sun is setting, and those temperatures will be diving as the sun is setting after achieving these highs right here, which are a little above the average of 34. We'll get up to between 35 and 40 degrees. All right, the pieces to this puzzle are starting to come together. Cold high pressure to our north, a necessity for a snowstorm. And you know what? It's going to be so cold, I'm not worried at all about mixing or a rain snow line. Whatever we get is going to be pure snow and probably a powdery, fluffy snow. Really good snow ratios with this system. The storm itself, I don't love the track yet. It looks as if it's going to be a flatter track, which is more west to east and not south to north, bringing it up through the Bay of Fundy and then into the Gulf of Maine and also into the Canadian Maritimes, which nails the entire state with snow. So it looks like the southern half of the state has the greatest potential for heavier snowfall than the northern half. And while these numbers could shift around because the storm is still 3 days away, there'll be some wiggles and there'll be some wobbles, I think the overall gist stays the same. Very little snow across the far north, several inches of plowable snow across the south and the coast, and there is a chance that we could see double-digit snowfall, especially the farther south you go. So keep checking back over the next few days for updates on the snow forecast. Gale warnings are up for later tonight and tomorrow morning when the winds freshen. Until then, though, they'll be pretty light and seas 2 to 3 feet. We'll have sunshine late today. Before that, a chance for a snow shower. Temps in the upper 30s. Tomorrow, a lot colder, even though we'll have bright sunshine around 30 degrees. Same thing on Saturday, but clouds are increasing. Snow likely on Sunday, several inches possible. Monday and Tuesday look okay. They'll be cold ones. And then we've got another storm middle of next week. And I got to be honest, I'm almost a little more concerned about that one than I am about the pure snow on Sunday when, no kids are in school and a lot of people aren't working.
Yeah.
That midweek storm will be a stronger one. It will have wind with it and could lead to some power outages.
Well, we'll deal with that later.
Yep, a lot to focus on.
Thank you, sir.
To think about.